back to Trend Secrets, your ultimate destination for all things interior design and home decor. Whether you're an experienced decorator or just dipping your toes into the world of design, you're at best place. Enhancing the outdoor space with thoughtful garden decoration can significantly elevate the overall look and feel of a house. Rustic Farmhouse Garden Decor brings a timeless, warm charm that combines natural elements with vintage appeal. One of the simplest ways to infuse this aesthetic is by incorporating reclaimed wood throughout your garden. Old pallets, barn wood, or weathered fencing can be transformed into garden signs, planter boxes, or even vertical gardens. These worn textures add a cozy, handmade look to your outdoor space. Their vintage look fits perfectly with the rustic theme. Adding galvanized metal accents like watering cans, buckets, and old milk jugs contributes to the farmhouse charm. Fill them with flowers, herbs, or succulents for a delightful contrast of industrial and organic. Grouping these items near entrances or along garden paths gives a layered, collected feel. Wrought iron or vintage style metal furniture can make a strong statement in your farmhouse garden. Look for weathered benches, rocking chairs, or ornate bistro sets with patina or peeling paint. These aged pieces add nostalgia and provide cozy spots to relax. A rustic potting bench can serve as both a functional element and a decorative feature. Constructed from reclaimed wood or antique furniture, a potting bench filled with clay pots, seed packets, and gardening tools evokes a nostalgic, lived-in atmosphere that embodies farmhouse life. Incorporating natural stone features, like cobblestone pathways or stacked rock borders, creates a grounded, earthy feel. Stones in irregular shapes and natural colors bring a sense of age and permanence, making your garden look like it's been there for generations. Vintage ladders make wonderful display pieces in farmhouse gardens. Lean one against a wall or tree and use the rungs to hang potted plants, lanterns, or small baskets. You can also drape vines or string lights across the steps for a magical effect at night. Old window frames and doors add architectural interest to outdoor spaces. Use them as backdrops for flower beds or hang them on fences to create a rustic focal point. The peeling paint and glassless panes echo the past and offer a beautiful, shabby chic vibe. Barrels and crates are fantastic rustic planters. Half-wine barrels can be turned into large flower pots, while stacked wooden crates can house everything from strawberries to petunias. These items also double as charming storage or display units. Consider adding a weathered wheelbarrow or vintage bicycle as a garden centerpiece. Fill them with soil and seasonal blooms or trailing plants. These unexpected touches add whimsy and storytelling, giving your garden a unique personality. Finally, don't be afraid to embrace imperfection. The beauty of rustic farmhouse decor lies in its aged textures, faded colors, and lived-in feel. Mix and match elements, repurpose old items, and let your personality shine through. Mason jars are another staple in rustic farmhouse decor. These versatile glass jars can be used as lanterns, flower vases, or even bird feeders. Hang them from trees or shepherd hooks using twine or wire for a soft ambient glow when fitted with tea lights or fairy lights. From vibrant flower beds to charming pathway lighting, every element contributes to creating a welcoming and visually captivating outdoor environment. Incorporating features such as cozy seating areas and decorative planters adds personality and charm to the landscape. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. That's right, good interior design isn't about how much money you spend, but how creatively you use what you have. Even inexpensive or budget-friendly decor items can make a big impact when placed thoughtfully and styled with care. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Don't forget to subscribe to Trend Secrets and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.